think we accepted gold medal. I think mentally the Indian people are seeing as a gold medal. So I think it's a sad day for us. Really, it is a sad, but I can't say anything. Thank you.
Unfortunately, Manisha Fogart could not make it to the final last week, disqualified. How do you see this, sir?
I think the rules need to be reviewed because it should be a one-time affair. Before the beginning of the sports, the weight or whatever it is, all those checks should be done. Once the game starts, they can't go back on, they can't say that somebody is overweight. Only yesterday she has won silver medal against most formidable competitor in the world. So, and today disqualifying her, I see a conspiracy behind this. So there's some force which is working on this, and that too on the flimsy ground of 100 grams overweight. So I think there's something seriously wrong, and it is really shocking for every Indian. I think Olympic Association needs to answer, needs to justify their action.
Could not make it to the final and disqualified from the Olympics after she weighing 100 grams extra.
It's really bad luck for our entire country and for the wrestling fraternity. She has missed by whisker. Let us see what the Olympic Committee is going to take a decision. Already they have taken a decision, but we need to see how further things will be looked into it.
There was a semi-final yesterday. She won a waist. Now
I can wish her not to get disturbed with all these things. Have a sportsmanship to overcome all these challenges or the obstacles, or their dream been shattered, and the entire country's dream has been shattered. It's a bad day for us.
your message is same, sir?
Message, see, being a people's representative and being in a public life, why Congress has become so insensitive, I don't understand. They should be accountable. What message are they giving to the people? Just because they want money for their election, they can't allow the state to be looted by the government, Congress government, at the cost of the common man. This is not fair. They should immediately act. We, as a political party, it is our duty, responsibility to be voice of the people. Make the Congress government accountable.
Mr. Siddaramaiah said it's an anti-poor, anti-Dalit party, BJP. He's demanding my resignation. It looks like thieves are asking for the justice.
Which community will ask you to become corrupt? Don't take the shelter of the community. It is not fair on you. Being such a senior politician, you should not take the shelter. Don't insult. You should bring glory, credit to the whichever community we belong, or whichever aspiration we represent. We should bring credit, glory, instead of being a burden to anybody, discredit to anybody. You should not take all these names. You have been caught red-handed. You are accountable. You should resign.
ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 18 ಕನ್ನಡ ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಲಭ್ಯ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮತ್ತು ದೇಶ ವಿದೇಶದ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸುದ್ದಿ ವಿವರವನ್ನ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಬೆರಳುಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಪಡೆಯೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ QR ಕೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.